G'day everyone, Daniel here from Caravan Industry Victoria, here with Dean Porter from EzyTrail. He is one of our RV masters with EzyTrail, and we're in front of one of the new Airly vans. It's got quad bunks, is that right?
This one has, yes.
Wow, well, lots of bunks in this one. Dean, obviously you and I talk a lot about standards for the industry, driving the standards for the industry, setting a standard for the industry as well. So we appreciate you obviously being a part of it to help us drive the standards. So tell us what RV Masters means to you.
Well, it's exactly what you said, Daniel. You know, we've been doing this for about nearly 20 years now, and as an importer, we sort of see the space where we need to get our product in line with everybody else. And I thought when you first approached me about it, best way to do that is to drive it, right? So we were early on board, and hopefully we're going to see it all the way through.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And Dean's working through a lot of systems and processes in the business, doing ISO accreditation at the moment, working through a lot of stuff. So we communicate a lot about manufacturing techniques, a lot about the industry, how we can improve it, how we can lift the standard. And Dean, as he said, was one of the first people to put up his hand to say, I want to help drive the standard of the industry as well in all the business systems, particularly customer service, particularly quality, particularly about making sure financially viable, all those key attributes of being an RV master. So Dean, I want to thank you for pushing this and helping continue to push it. Tell us a little bit about EzyTrail, bit of history, bit of background as well.
Well, we're nearly 20 years we've been doing this, so it's a long time. And what we've seen in the industry over the last 20 years is these things, they used to be just sticks and tin, right? They've become a very complex machine. Like this thing is almost its own little power station. And it's about educating consumers, educating the manufacturers as well, that you know, we're not just making a basic product anymore, we're making a product that is really cutting edge. And to do that, we have to be at the forefront of safety, innovation, adhering to standards, and making sure that we're putting a product to the consumer that is worth them being proud of.
That's exactly right. It's actually a very good conversation. After the launch that we revealed all the participants last week, Dean and I had a chat on the phone, and he talked about how complex the caravans are these days. It is a power bank pretty much on wheels with the power, the technology, the innovation that's in it. So it is a complex product compared to what it was some time ago. So these guys are putting a lot of features in it, a lot of engineering into this. Tell us a little bit about your engineering process that you're doing, Dean.
Well, the engineering behind this is all being certified by engineers here in Australia. The product, yes, it's fabricated in China, but the machine that is EzyTrail is quite large, and we are all based here in Australia. So, you know, we've got our own R&D department, we've got our own department that looks after sales and marketing, and all of that stuff has to come from selling a product that is spot on. The consumer can be really satisfied that the product meets all the standards.
We also want to thank Dean. He's one of our key partners for our shows, driving attention, marketing project, and promoting EzyTrail and what they do. So we want to thank Dean for that, but also thank him for being a part of RV Masters. Thank you so much, mate. Really appreciate it.
No, you're welcome, mate.